Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin from Benji's Home Cooking, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a dal made out of bottle gourd, that is commonly known as Doodhi, and two kinds of dals, that is Chana Dal and Moong Dal. Some days we are so tired and we don't want to make an elaborate meal, and this is a perfect recipe for one of those days. This you can eat with chapatis or rice, and it's a very nutritious preparation. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started. To make the dal, we need bottle gourd or doodhi, skinned and chopped. We have moong dal and chana dal soaked for 20 minutes, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, turmeric and hing or asafoetida. For seasoning, we have mustard seeds, cumin seeds, green chillies, red chillies. We have curry leaves and coriander leaves chopped. Now to make the dal, we are going to add all the bottle gourd that we have chopped into the cooker. To this we will add the soaked dal. Now for the dal, I have taken together quarter cup of chana dal and moong dal. The quantity is your preference, and it has, after soaking, bloomed to half a cup. So just keep that in mind. To that I'm going to add the chopped ingredients, that is 1 medium sized tomato with the turmeric and 10 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium sized onion together with asafoetida. Asafoetida gives a beautiful aroma to your dal and also helps in digestion. Let's add a cup of water to this, and we are going to pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Now when you pressure cook, remember that the first whistle you will give on a high flame, and for the rest 2 whistles you can reduce the flame to low, and this is how your dal will look. A little bit of whole dal here and there, but it's perfect. Let's prepare for the seasoning. In a pan, take a teaspoon of oil. To that I have added 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now this is your preference. If you like to make your dal only in oil or only in ghee, you can choose whatever you like. It's absolutely up to you. We're going to temper this once it is heated. For the seasoning, we need mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they start spluttering, we will add the other seasoning ingredients. To this, we will add curry leaves, chopped green chillies, dry red chillies, and just saute it for about 2 or 3 seconds, after which we will add chopped coriander. Chopped coriander in seasoning gives a beautiful flavor to your seasoning by itself. To this, we will add the boiled dal and salt to taste. Salt is your choice, the less or more that you like. Mix it and cook it just for 2 minutes, and your beautiful, nutritious, very simple dal is ready. Eat it with chapatis or hot rice.